Asyiqin, and today I'm going to teach ecology and diversity. Assalamualaikum and good evening students. How are you all doing? I hope you guys are feeling better to come back to school after the pandemic. Before I begin the lesson, I would like to show you all an image. I want you all to look through the image and try to relate the terms to the characters portrayed. I will give you 30 seconds to think about it and your time starts. Alright students, time's up. So now, what do you all think the two characters refer to? And how could you relate the two characters to the two terms? I'm going to show a video to you all. Before that, I want you all to sit in a group of 4 members each. While watching the video, I will pass around some sticky notes and I want you all to write down any questions that strikes into your mind when you watch the video related to the topic. Once you have written down your questions in the sticky note, do not write down your name. I want you guys to fold the paper into 4 and place it in the jar that I will pass around. Alright class, so now I will start collecting all your questions inside this jar. Your questions to me? Did I leave anybody's question? No? Okay, very good. So now I'm going to put all these questions and the jar aside and we will continue the lesson. These questions will be used later on at the end of the lesson for some assessments. Alright students, after watching the video, I hope you guys have a general idea what are the type of nutrition that we are going to learn today. Now, without wasting any more time, I want a representative from each and every one of your group to come forward and pick a topic inside this jar. Alright students, now you have picked the topic or type of nutrition for your groups. I want you guys to sit in your groups and try to discuss further on the type of nutrition that you have received. Some of the things that I want you guys to discuss in detail with your group members are such as the definitions of the type of nutrition, the examples of organisms involved in that particular type of nutrition, and maybe some diagrams to help you understand better. In class, you will be given 2 minutes to discuss in your group about the type of nutrition you have received and do some wrap-ups. Enough with your group members on the type of nutrition that you all have received. Now, what I want you guys to do is please listen carefully on my next instructions. Now, I want you all to assign the alphabet A, B, C and D to each and every one members of your group. So, in your group, there will be 4 alphabets assigned to each and every one of you. After assigning the alphabets, all the students with the alphabet A from all these different groups need to come and build a new group, while the alphabet B's will come and build another new group, alphabet C's will come and build another new group here, and alphabet D will another new group behind that. So your group members will be consisting of people from different types of nutrition. That's what I want you guys to do now. Very good. Now that you guys have moved and sit with your new group members, so now we're gonna have a very fun activity or game. With me, I have in my hand some papers and some color pens. So we're gonna have some fun games and arts going on. So what exactly is it that we're gonna do right now? So do not tell to your group mates or your new teammates what type of nutritions that you have discussed with your previous group mates. Do not reveal that, because what we're going to do now is a guessing game. So what are you going to do? You are going to draw some images, some logos, and maybe one keyword to your new group mates and let them guess. Let them guess what is that type of nutrition that you have been discussing with your previous group mates. So that is the game. And the fun part is you are only given 30 seconds to guess. After that, when time's up, I will say time's up and you guys have to switch. Which means the person who was drawing, images, everything, you sit down and the next person comes forward and gets the chance to draw some images, some logos, some keywords, and you start guessing that person's type of nutrition. Do you guys understand? Yes, you're only given 30 seconds. And let's say you didn't manage to guess that in that 30 seconds, it's okay. You sit down, you let other group mates come forward and continue the game, and then your turn comes back. So we will be rotating it until everybody managed to guess all the types of nutritions. And let's say you managed to guess it before 30 seconds, fantastic! You take turns as quickly as possible without waiting for me to say time's up. And the group who manages to guess all 4 types of nutritions, the fastest will raise up their hands and be the winner for our guessing games. Understand? Do you guys have any question? Anything you don't understand? Good. So if there's anything that you don't understand, don't worry. I will walk around and I will look. So no cheating. Follow the rules. Only images, symbols and logos, and one keyword. That's it. Okay? Maybe you can try doing some X. It's accepted. But you cannot describe. Understand? I walk around. Those who do cheating, your groups are penalized. Okay? So let's get started. Alright, 30 seconds is up. Time's up now. Please change role. The next person comes forward and starts drawing, and others start guessing. Do you guys need any extra papers or need any color pens? Please raise up your hand. No cheating. Yes, start guessing. Another 30 seconds has passed. Now again, switch role. Another person comes forward and starts drawing, and others starts guessing. Oh, fantastic! We have a winner here. So they have guessed all the 5 types of nutritions. Fantastic! Give them a round of applause. Alright, time's up class. It's end of the game. 2 minutes has gone and I hope everybody managed to guess all the 5 types of nutritions in your groups. Yes, so to the winner, congratulations, and to the rest, still good job because you guys managed to guess it all correctly. Very, very good. I appreciate some of your drawing skills. Very, very good. Your details in drawings was very, very good. And the keywords that you picked for the guessing game was very good. Because the keyword is the indicator. Is the indicator of that type of nutrition. So that was very, very good. I hope you guys enjoyed the game. I hope you guys guys enjoyed and had lots of fun doing that guessing game, but at the same time managed to understand all 5 types of nutrition. Yes? Very good. So, more fun part is, remember this jar? The questions we collected at the early of the lesson after you guys watched the video. Remember? Yeah, so inside here are all your questions. The questions written by you all. Some of the questions some of the things that you don't understand, that or some of the things that strikes into your mind. So these are those things. So what are we going to do is, you will still maintain sitting in your groups. You're not going to move to your places yet. Can I have a volunteer from each group to come forward and pick a question from this jar? Random questions. Okay, Ali, can you please read your question loud and clear so that everyone can hear your question? So your question is, why are autotrophs called the chefs, the food producers? Okay, that's a very good question. So why do you think autotrophs in the picture earlier was called the food maker or the chef? Why do you think, Ali? Yes, correct. So Ali's answer is because autotrophs produce their own food using the sunlight in the process of photosynthesis. Correct. But Ali's answer is incomplete. Can I have someone volunteer to help Ali to complete the answer? Is there anybody who knows? Yes, Lisa. Yes, you want to help Ali answer? Yes, what is your answer, Lisa? Yes, absolutely correct. What Ali said was because autotrophs produce their own food through photosynthesis using the light. And like Lisa said, using the chemicals through chemoautotroph in the process of chemosynthesis. Remember, there's 2 types of nutrition under autotroph. Yes or not? So photoautotroph is not the only one, like Lisa said. Chemoautotroph is also it's a type of autotroph. Yes or not? So what Ali said was correct but incomplete. Alright class, so there's only a few more minutes left for our lesson to end. So the other questions inside here, what I want you all to do is go back home and try to find out the answers for these questions that you have written. This is going to be your homework. Together with that, I want you all to do a mind map. A mind map on what we have learned today to conclude today's learning objectives. Since there's few more minutes left, can we conclude today's learning standard by concluding the types of nutrition we have learned, the examples of organism? Can I have 5 volunteers to stand up and explain about these 5 types of nutrition that we have learned? Yes, we have Mutu. Very good. I hope you guys understand and enjoyed today's lesson. If there's any question that you all still don't understand while doing the homework I gave you all, if there's anything you don't understand, please jot it down, and on next class when we meet, we can discuss about it further. Can you all do that for me? Very good. So that's all from me. Thank you, class.